Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Surfer SEO for content briefs and optimization, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the search bar, type Surfer SEO and hit enter. Click on the official Surfer SEO website link from the search results. Once on the home page, locate the pricing option in the menu. Click on the pricing option to view the different subscription plans available. Review the features included in each plan to find one that fits your needs for content briefs and optimization. After selecting a plan, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button and click it. You will be directed to a sign up page. Fill in the required personal information, such as your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password for your account. After entering your details, read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept these terms. Next, proceed by clicking the Create Account or Continue button. Follow any additional prompts to complete the sign-up process. You may be asked to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a verification email from Surfer SEO. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Surfer SEO website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to your account settings or dashboard. From here, you can explore the available tools for creating content briefs and optimization. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. To create a new content brief, look for the option labeled Content Briefs or a similar term in the menu. Click on this option to start the process of generating content briefs. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your keywords and topics. Customize your brief according to your requirements. Once you are satisfied with the settings, save your content brief. To optimize content, select the relevant tool from the dashboard. Follow the prompts to analyze and optimize your content effectively. Feel free to explore additional resources and tutorials on the Surfer SEO website for further assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.